How long do you have it on there? Come on, Diana. Look at the sky.
Come down here.
We've seen a better one.
Holy shit, look at that star.
It's a planet.
You sure? Boy.
Come over here and watch for it.
Look.
We've seen a better one with Dad, remember?
Wait, where's the planet?
Oh, right there. Your phone. Oh, I found my phone, by the way. I don't know did you steal my charger?
It's dead. His phone's dead.
It's been dead for months.
Oh, damn.
My camera's got a green glow throughout for everything.
This is awesome. I'm gonna post this on Facebook. Be like, we all, oh shit. I don't want to get burnt.
Views than all of you. I could just go climb the tree over
Oh
there.
shit.
And I'm really up high in the air.
You wouldn't want to be up high in
What about halfway through that tree? Is it going to be over now?
How many are you gonna make, Dad?
I'll be done after this
I wanna make as long as like, don't. She
Mine's a
just.
lot better.
This was above us. Yeah.
This thing's moving quick too.
Yeah.
Where to?
To Milwaukee.
Milwaukee, Chicago. It's not making any sound.
No,
That's odd.
no, because it ain't lightning. It's just static discharge.
These lightning bugs are getting in the way.
I know,
Yep.
right? So mine, yours looks better than mine. Like the light. You have light around.
Yeah, I got light on mine.
Let me take a fish.
Go inside.
I'm looking flowers.
Eh. Dude, I just saw one come out of a butt. Lightning. It's the two nearest to us, right there. I see it in my camera.
That's almost over by.
Where's it near?
That's funny.
Huh. What is over?
Just down below it, like,
I can actually hear it still rumbling.
I know, I can too.
That's over Beloit right now.
Yeah.
I see the butt still. It's right there.
Nate. That's over Beloit.
Wonder what they're doing. Wait, yeah. Oh wait, no, I see a bigger butt.
Oh, shut up.
It's right there. Looks like a butt.
Clouds are moving quick.
Yeah, they are.
Do we
That's
get?
why it didn't hold over us very long.
Yeah.
So we're good.
Yep.
Okay.
Unless if it decides to pop up behind us somehow.
No, it was clear this way.
Yeah. Checked it numerous times before it even hit us.